is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I wanted to talk to you about today are pond fish. So it's a little bit scary for a lot of people. They're very apprehensive whenever I bring up fish. If it's koi, they've heard that koi are very expensive or they're very messy. So let's start with koi. Now, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on a koi. You can spend $12 to $15 on a little beginner koi because they will actually grow pretty darn quickly. They're not messy, they're fish. You have to have a proper filtration system. So if we install your pond, I'm a filter geek. I will over-filter your pond for you and make sure that it will have the capacity to deal with whatever type of fish you're putting in there. That's very important. So pond fish do not have to be a high maintenance situation at all. You have to have a properly functioning pond, and the only thing you have to do is feed the fish. And really, during the winter, once water temperatures get below 55, you don't have to feed them because their metabolic rate is slowed down so much. So, and let's say you go on vacation, automatic koi feeder. So you really don't need to worry that much about fish. Goldfish, you don't even have to feed them at all. They just nibble on the algae and bugs, and I mean, no one's feeding fish in nature. So goldfish are as easy as it gets. And the mosquito fish, a lot of counties actually will come deliver mosquito fish for free. And they're kind of a cool little fish to throw in. Now, you don't need to worry about mosquitoes on a water feature that has movement because mosquito larvae will not exist in that environment. So you don't need to worry about that. The other cool thing about fish is they will help balance the ecosystem. So let's say you've got a brand new pond that is starting. It still needs to do a lot of cleaning. So by introducing a fish that's excreting a little bit of ammonia, it helps jumpstart the whole biological process. And so fish are actually, they can be extremely low maintenance. You don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about high cost of koi. Now, the warning is you might get into your koi and all of a sudden you're hooked, and kind of like people with tattoos, and all of a sudden you're getting a bunch of tattoos. You might get a little too into your koi, but they're just fun. I mean, fish are just fun, and it's cool to have different sizes and varieties. At nighttime, my wife and I sit pond side, and we've got it all lit up, and lighting is crucial in ponds. And so, if you don't have anything in your pond, sometimes it's a little boring. It's fun to have stuff in there to see moving around. We have turtles, we have all kinds of fish, and it's just really cool. So just get some fish. But go to a reputable fish place. Go to your local koi pond, your local koi dealer, and tell them that you want fish. If this is something you want in your life, give us a call. We can deliver the fish for you and make sure that your pond is set up properly, you have enough filtration, and we'd love to take care of you and introduce having some wildlife in your pond. Give us a call. This is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. We're live.